Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a dog taco. This is by special request in the comments. So let's start drawing. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, it's like a gravestone shape. It's like a bump, maybe, like a rock on the beach. One of those big rocks. And while I'm using this, by the way, I'm using a Crayola brand marker. You can use anything you want. Line here. Line down. Line down. For 1 foot. We're going to close off that 1 foot. Curve over here. That's going to be the hind leg. Front foot here. Hind foot over here. Then I'm going to draw the dog's head. Straight line here for the neck. Up. In a little bit. Curved line up, curved line down for the ear. Pulling down. And then out for the snout. Curve. And then slowly curve toward the bottom of that taco shell. Gonna draw the eye. Well, the eye I'm gonna draw this upside down U shape, the hee eye. Also, don't forget, if you like being able to draw whatever you want from your imagination, hit the subscribe button right now. When you subscribe, you will, basically when you subscribe, you're gonna be notified when I post a video. I'll be posting 3 videos every single weekday. So Monday, Monday will be 3 videos, Tuesday will be 3 videos, and so on until Friday. Every single week there'll be 15 beginner video lessons. The idea is that I'm giving you a bunch of videos so that you can choose from, and I'm putting them all into playlists. So, if you feel like drawing Among Us one day, you go to that. You feel like drawing cute animals, go to the cute animals playlist, and you can just kind of learn all day. I want you to grow your library of information in your mind, and that's kind of how you learn to draw stuff right out of your head. Is kind of draw it initially and memorize it. So, anyways, that is it. Thank you so much. Let's get going. I'm gonna draw a line here for the front. I'm gonna fill that in. Draw a zigzag shape right there on the ear. And let's go over here to the taco itself. Draw some wiggly line for, like, it's the lettuce. Just kind of wavy line will do, any wavy line. And then let's draw some stuff in the taco. This could be like tomato or, Parmesan or cheese, shredded cheese. But yeah, mostly I'm doing that with little squares for the shredded cheese and a little round maybe for like a tomato. You can just put them randomly as you can. Alrighty. And what okay, so first thing is I'm gonna go to the feet, and I'm gonna divide the foot right there with 2 lines. Same thing over here, on every foot. All right. Smiley and the dog. And I'm gonna put dots on this taco because that's, you know, the taco has texture on it. If you wanted to, if you do like what I do here, please share the video. Whenever you share the video, it brings in a huge boost of positivity to the channel. It tends to be like the people that come in through recommendations that are the nicest. So keep it up. You guys are awesome, and I love it. Still doing this. Still doing that for the texture of the taco. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a thick line around the outside layer. I always do that because I think it looks really good. And I hope you can do it too. If you're doing this in pencil, you probably aren't able to do this, but you could try. I don't know if it comes out looking good in pencil though. But usually when you put a thicker line around something, it tends to contain the complexity within inside of it, and it just looks neat. It looks like a sticker or something. Kind of over here again, putting that thick line everywhere. Hopefully you're having a good time. We're just sitting here drawing, relaxing. Think of this as like a relaxation, you know, just chill and relax. But anyways, that is pretty much it. I'm almost done with this. That is pretty much it. If you got to this point in the video, say hi to me in the comment section. That means that means you finished the video and I'll know it. And that is it. I will talk to you in the next video, and I will see you soon, okay? See you later.